Okay, let's take an evening look around Big Mama's garden. Ooh, mustard greens. Y'all grow back so fast. Time to look like to harvest some more mustard greens. Look at that big leaf there. Okay, kale. Come on now. Y'all need to grow more kale in here. I have planted a lot of kale seeds in here. Y'all taking a long time to grow. Okay, spinach. I see your spinach down there. I'm not sure if you're a spinach or not, but you're in the spinach pot. Gotta take a picture of you and see what you are. I think you might be spinach. Oh, we harvest some lettuce over here. Let's see if we get some more to grow. More of the dinosaur kale over here. Y'all are not growing as big as what I had over in my other garden bed last season with my kale. I decided to keep my bell peppers covered up because we still got having some cooler nights. Over here I had my bell peppers. My jalapeno peppers, they survived the freeze. I see some new growth coming on them. I see some peppers over here. They kind of got a little frostbite on them, but they still hanging in here. Let's see if some more jalapeno peppers are gonna grow back. Over here, my onion bed. This is my white onions. And I sprinkled in some carrot seeds in here too. I see some carrots coming up. The onions are gonna help deter the pests off of the carrots. So come on, carrots, grow some more for us amongst the onions. Come on, onions. Look at my lavender. My lavender is looking pretty. I see all of the purple flowers on you. I see your lavender. The eggplant, I don't think y'all gonna survive. I need to just go on and prune a lot of these branches off. See a little eggplants on here, but I don't think I'm gonna have any more to grow. Okay, collard greens, y'all need to do better over here. All the seeds I sowed over here, I should have a full bed of collard greens growing. Come on, I hope the freezing temperatures didn't stunt your growth. But y'all did a lot better over in the other garden bed that I had where I have my mustard greens at this year than y'all doing this year. Come on, grow collard greens. Come on and grow. Grow a lot more for us. Okay, my cabbage bed. Oh, y'all looking good. I see my daughter threw in some orange peels over here to help deter the pests off of you guys. She must have ate some oranges today. I see a lot of them she threw over here amongst the cabbage. Okay, cabbage. Okay. Ooh, look at here. I think I feel a little head forming there. Come on, cabbage. Let's look over here. This one here look like it forming a head. Okay. Looking good over here in my greenhouse. I see my Brussels sprouts. Leaves are getting bigger and bigger. I know I find the Brussels sprouts on the stem of the Brussels sprout here. The leaves looking beautiful. Over there, some more collard greens. Y'all still need to have filled out that whole bed. All those seeds I sowed, a lot of them didn't germinate. Okay, Brussels sprouts, first time growing you. You're looking good. Yes, you are. Oh, I see onions coming up over here in my little elevated raised bed. But the seeds that I sowed, I put some more broccoli over in here, and I don't see them coming up yet. Okay, more cabbage over here. Y'all looking great. Okay, I see a over there back in the end. There's supposed to be another Brussels sprout. And look at my broccoli. I see some broccoli heads forming. Some more broccoli forming. Bell pepper, you still hanging in here. Okay. Oh, look at the big broccoli heads back over in there. Oh boy, let me get in here and get close and look at you guys. Ooh, those heads looking good. Maybe time to harvest you. Let's see. Oh, my broccoli. Oh, y'all looking great. Yes, you are. Okay, broccoli. I'm gonna have to check and see when should I harvest you guys. How much more bigger should I let y'all get before I harvest you? I know you need to get a little bit bigger. You look like a nice size one. I need to harvest now. Also you. Okay, let's see. Oh, I thought you was a Brussels sprout. You a broccoli. Look at you forming a head. Okay. Okay, cabbage, y'all looking great. Looking great. Yes, you are. Okay, cabbage. Let me double check it. Yeah, I thought I had more Brussels sprouts that I had sowed. Okay, look like I just had one bed of Brussels sprouts. Okay. I think I put some more somewhere else. Let me go check. Lemon tree, you're looking good. I don't see any more lemons sprouting out on you yet. Okay. Collard greens, y'all looking good over here. Come on, collard greens. Continue to grow. Okay, onions. Look at y'all. This is my red onions. Y'all looking great. Yes, you are. I decided to keep my apple tree and my pomegranate tree covered up here. These cool nights we've been having. I'll let y'all out soon to enjoy the fresh sun shining on you as soon as it get a lot warmer. Over here there's supposed to be some more broccoli. I think I may have put some Brussels sprouts over in here too. Okay, we'll see what comes up. I don't see any broccoli heads. Oh no, there go a little broccoli head. Okay, I see a little something coming up there. Okay. Come on. I don't know why a lot of my seeds didn't germinate. I had sowed a lot more than what's sprouting up now. It's growing. I may have to sow some more seeds in these empty spots so I can have a bigger harvest. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Okay. Going, you're looking great. My kiwi plant, a lot of the dead leaves are falling off, but I'm also see a lot of new green growth is coming on. Okay, come on. Get you out in the spring and you're gonna produce some beautiful kiwis for us. Over here, my apple tree. I see some new green leaves are growing on it. All the dead leaves have fallen off. But I know that you're going to produce some nice apples for us soon. Okay, apple tree. Look at my tomato plant over here. I see some blooms on you, but I don't see any of the tomatoes growing yet. Just need to shake you to help you pollinate yourself. Okay. See your little flowers on you. Come on and produce some tomatoes for us. You're looking great, looking great. Okay, produce us some wonderful tomatoes to eat. I still have my Jamaican sorrel plant growing here. I had to bring them all inside from the cold weather. Let's see where the other one over here. I see the leaves are coming up. I see it. Come on. Continue to grow Jamaican sorrel. I'm going to soon put y'all back outside when they get close to spring so y'all can really produce us some more wonderful Jamaican sorrel. Looking at my avocado tree, I see a lot of blooms coming out. They say I gotta let them turn into flowers, and then they're gonna produce the avocados. So y'all are really blooming here. Probably gonna wait till I get y'all out in the spring to produce the avocados for us. I see a lot of blooms on you. Glad to see that. My Lila avocados. Okay, I see you. Come on and produce your flowers. And then give us the fruit of the avocado. Yes. Pull some of these dead leaves off here. Okay. Looking great. You're looking great. Yes, you are. Can't wait to see my avocados. Yes.